Funny how they'll go from hating a queen one day to loving her the next day, just because I took all of the workers out of the cage. It's amazing. We'll leave her in there another couple of days and then we'll let her out. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll go check on the other one. Look at that. Same thing. Nobody's trying to sting her. Nobody's trying to eat her alive. She's alive in the cage. I guess I know the way I will be introducing breeder queens from now on. Taking all the workers out and just introducing Mama by herself. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and share. Have a great beekeeping season.